Today, we will tour 141 North Date, Apartment 62 in Mesa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Mesa, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Mesa. Welcome to this fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Mesa. Notice the beautiful wood-style flooring, ample flex space, and beautiful neutral tones throughout. This home also features an open-concept floor plan, a wonderful kitchen, and barn-style doors that separate the bedrooms from the rest of the home, providing an extra sense of privacy. And the primary suite has an en-suite bathroom with a walk-in shower. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thanks for watching.